Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this multifunctional phone stand with wireless speaker and flashlight. Yes, it has a speaker and flashlight built in. Adjustable angle, adjustable height, LED light, Type-C and mic, and a flashlight, phone stand, wireless speaker, nothing on the top. And the back just has a little bit of your specs, 3 to 4 hours in charging time, uses Type-C, model number is the L26, cell phone stand with light and speaker. So let's open this on up. Right on top here we have an included USB-A to USB-C cable. This must be to charge it. And then that's it for the box. Nice little instruction manual here. This should tell you everything that you need to know about it. And this is the actual device here. Very, very unique. This part seems to be the speaker. And if I press this power button,
power on, Bluetooth mode.
You can hear it. Okay. Your USB-C port's on the side here, so that's to charge this up. You have all of your buttons for changing tracks and stuff if you're using the speaker. And as for the stand, it just kind of pulls around like so. Very nice. So you're able to take your phone, set your phone on here, it holds your phone,
Bluetooth mode,
and then it's able to use the speaker to play music from it. And then also it doubles down here as a flashlight. Very, very unique little device. Oh, there's your flashlight button. So if you press that, there it is. There's our flashlight. Very cool. And if you had this all folded back up, you know, it makes that flashlight a little easier to use. Very unique. Flashlight, speaker, and it does like the SOS. And I think that will do it for this multifunctional phone stand with wireless speaker and flashlight. Very, very unique item to unbox. Very cool with multiple uses though. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.